Okay, what's up, guys? So, Blarg has uploaded. He uploaded this video a couple of days ago, but titled, "This video will make you wheeze." Bro, I don't know. Like, I'm trying to think. I have like, I feel like I do have like a wheezing laugh. Like, that's if I'm like laughing really hard. I was laughing hard the other day. Yeah, I was laughing pretty hard the other day, but I'm trying to think. I don't think I was wheezing. I was crying though. I hands down. I was crying. I have one of those laughs where I'm like, my whole body is like moving to, I guess, not the laughter, but it's just I'm having some sort of like laugh. Laugh attack. I'm having that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm having some sort of laugh attack, and my body is just reacting to the laugh. And it's just one of those strong laughs, like you're trying to manage, but there's no controlling it. Once you're in a full on laugh attack, you're done. You're over. It's over. It's like there's no chance of survival. So, anyways, yeah, most likely Blarg. Blarg is gonna be the one doing mostly the wheezing in this video, unless okay, Grizzy is in here, so yeah, he's gonna be wheezing too. But if you guys haven't, make sure you guys go subscribe to Big Puffer, Elastic Jort, Grizzy, and Soup. I believe all these guys, they all have Twitch accounts, even Blarg too. Cause I was watching Blarg's Twitch the other. Yeah, he has it right there. So follow these guys on Twitch. Go show them some love and support. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I say let's go ahead and get into this video. There we go.
Yeah, I'm getting a car.
We get some in the car, some in the heli.
Yeah, our car's still
I'll
pretty
get
good.
I'll get in the
Go
car.
get in, baby.
Haha,
It's
yes.
a nice car. I need to play more of Warzone.
Ah! Don't worry about it.
Bro, I thought that was like a.
We're going after this.
I thought they like glitched the game or like hacked the game for a split second. I thought that was a dog. I'm like, bro, how a dog driving and maybe in Grand Theft Auto, because Grand Theft Auto doesn't even care anymore. But Call of Duty, they were already doing that in here.
At any point, or are we just gonna?
we just vibing, bro.
I see them already.
I keep looking back, like, wait, oh.
All right, fine.
You want to get on this roof or do you want to get closer?
I'm gonna get.
I need to play more of Warzone. I was supposed to the other day, but then it's like ended up just playing a bunch of multiplayer.
Mm-hmm.
I win these.
I believe.
Immediately died. That's exactly. If I didn't drink my water, I was like, he's immediately going to
That
die.
guy was.
There was a guy on this
regretted
building.
that.
They're controller players. He goes, my controller busted, bro.
I think a Grizzy's coming back.
Matt, save the game.
What? No!
What happened?
Fucking
Why?
time.
Why did you
How
do
many
that?
times did we buy him back in this game? Holy
I thought the game was. I was like, what's going on? I didn't even realize he was like watching somebody else.
Matt, go get the fuck out of here. Get out of
Lark, I
here.
believe in you.
I am speed.
You're gonna die. Watch.
Oh, you dumb motherfucker!
I knew it. I knew it.
Stupid piece of shit.
Gee, all of that for nothing. That is so messed up. It even had it at the bottom saying press space for parachute. This man jumped to his death. He said, what is a
I just heard
parachute?
I am speed and then
I honestly didn't think that would kill me.
Jumping off of a fucking 3-story building.
I know. You'll be surprised though. Like I remember playing DayZ, and I was inside of a barn. I literally probably the distance from like that top shoebox right there all the way like straight down. That's all. I jumped off of something like that in DayZ, and my character broke both his legs. And he was sitting there. I stand up. As soon as I go for it, he'll just get back in the crawling position and just start crawling. And I'm like, that is the dumbest thing. They must have not, the people that create those games must have not heard of big toys. Blarg must have thought he was on the big toy and jumped to his death. But I'm like, nah, bro. Like what Soup said, you're on a 3-story building. Like, you're going to die. Like.
Got so much confidence. Buffer hyped me up so much. It was all adrenaline.
I am speed. Dude, I need to start using the fucking broken classes.
What are you
and stop,
saying?
like, shut the fuck up, Matt. What are you saying, Matt?
heard that.
You really
I
lived for the
understood that
bomb.
right there.
Yeah, no, it's crazy that normal sentences, they're all jumbled, and then that comes out perfectly fine every time. It's like he says it quite often.
Got a lot of practicing.
Yeah, over the last 4 years, you've said that a few times.
You're welcome. Well, actually, bro, we actually gave each other careers. It's
Yeah,
hilarious.
I know. I really did. If you're gonna suck your homie's dick, be like mutual
Suck it
dick
back,
sucking.
What?
Suck each other's dick.
Like, pause, bro.
Need to 69 that shit.
Pause, bro.
I don't know.
Need
about
to
this.
double hand walk.
Let that be your lesson. Suck your homie's dick and get your dick sucked by your homie.
That's how you succeed in
That's-
life.
If you sucking dick but not getting it in return, it's not worth it.
Nah, never
gotta
just
make
suck
sure-
dick. Make sure your dick
Yeah,
getting
what the
sucked
heck?
too.
Yeah, you gotta make sure both dicks being sucked at the
Conversation,
same
man.
time.
That's only
Like,
advice for
imagine, like, if I feel like if these guys, they just saw, like, oh, TMossBoss, like, we're going to invite you to a game. I join, and I'm hearing this conversation. I'm like, I wonder if they're recording, because I'm like, yo, if they're recording, then okay, then I already know what conversation this is. But if they're not, I'm like, dang, this ain't nothing. This ain't different from when they're recording. Like, what's going on here?
15+ viewers, by the way.
suck dick. Never just suck dick, all right? Make sure it's mutual dick sucking.
I'm pretty sure that was written in the Bible.
Alright.
That's so woke.
On the third day, he
In
came
Genesis
back and
1.
sucked his dick.
Yes.
But mutually.
Pornhub Bible.
And he also got head back.
And on the third day, the Lord said,
Oh, you know, like,
God,
I mean, cause
Johnny.
well, that's the thing. I'm a Christian, but I'm like, I love like a good, like, you know, sense of humor and things. I'm pretty sure any like diehard Christians, you know, they definitely turned this video off. I'm like, bruh. Yeah, it's you most likely there's gonna probably be some people in the comments like y'all need to go to church or read the actual Bible and stuff. I don't know. I feel like going to church with these guys, you're gonna be in there like laughing. That's what I'm like. It's like certain friends you can't go to places with. I know for a fact they've been in church with these guys. We probably have been like on the floor laughing, tears rolling down our face because we were over there making faces. Or like these are definitely the type of guys like you gotta be in classes with and stuff.
I can smell your fucking butthole from here, dude. Oh yeah,
It's
you wore me
disgusting.
out. You fucking shit on my bed again. If you shit on my bed, I'm fucking nay-nay.
What?
Just a warm-up game, lol.
Matt, why are you nay-naying? Oh, my cat shit on my bed.
Oh, you shit on my bed!
Dang. I don't know. I thought he was talking to a person. I'm like, why is that even a conversation? I'm like, but no, he's talking to a cat. Yeah, cats, they don't care. Cats, they would do that type of stuff, and they'd just be like, dogs and cats. Then they'll look at you. Excuse me. They'll look at you and be like, why? What's going on? What did I do? Knowing that ain't normal.
Good luck
Fucking
cleaning
walk
that
on my bed!
That's disgusting.
Doug's just fucking.
You just gotta throw the whole. You just gotta throw the sheets
no worry
away.
in the world.
Throw the sheets away. Just get some Febreze and just spray that area down.
Why were people freaking out about a doll escaping a museum?
Oh yeah.
I don't know, isn't that kind of weird that a doll just dips?
The freaking, so for those that didn't hear that, so apparently they were trying, but I think they was like it is a hoax, but they said that the Annabelle doll, because for those that don't know, that movie is based on a true story, so the actual real doll, they were saying that it had escaped, and I was just like, you know, yeah, I was just like, you know, I guess to celebrate her being free and things, let's watch Annabelle Comes Home. So yeah, I was like, I think it was like the night of, I was like, ended up watching Annabelle, or it was like, I think it was the next night because they were still talking about it and stuff. But yeah, I was just like, yeah, we gotta celebrate Annabelle. She's free now, free Annabelle. They unlocked my girl up and stuff, free Annabelle, bro. But nah, it's yeah, I'm like, if it was real, imagine being the next door neighbors. I probably would just like go and just fill up a bathtub of just holy water and just lay in there with just like stacks of Bibles just surrounding me and then just fall asleep. I'll fall asleep. I'm like, I wouldn't care. I'm like, that water could get like freezing cold and I'm just like, oh well. I'm like, I know I'm safe, so I ain't gotta worry about nothing. Just create like a whole fort of Bibles, fill it up with holy water, and then just probably get like a glow stick. Set up my laptop, watch some Netflix movies, probably some biblical movies and things, just to guarantee my safety. Yeah, if I live next door to Annabelle, I'm like, nah, I'm like, I'm gonna die if she ever escapes, so. Like,
I mean,
black
all
people
the
die
dolls
first.
around here dip.
Alright. God, that was a shit tier joke.
Holy shit.
I think that's a bit racist.
It's very racist.
Sound like that dude from
Live
SpongeBob.
look at 6ix9ine running from the police.
Hold on, Soup.
Soup's
Get
in
him,
a
boy!
Hey, is it safe here, guys?
Yep.
Okay.
Green, you come, Remy Green. You ring.
Soup's hiding in a George.
I'm in a bush, dude. I'm good. Come on.
I've down 2 of them.
Don't give me green.
Where? Oh,
Dude,
see, I won't land
Grizzy,
on-
motherfucker!
Oh, shit, yeah, I forgot about
Yeah,
friend.
land against Soup.
They
Fuck.
just completely
This guy
ignored
right here,
him.
dude. No!
Oh,
I'm gonna beat your motherfucking ass. No!
Dang.
I just got him.
I like how you couldn't see it from Soup's perspective. You see Grizzy and then you see a little skull.
There's still people in here. There's still people in this gas station. Be careful.
Nice snapshots, idiot. Oh shit, I mean, what the fuck?
Good shit, boys.
Okay, Mickey
All right,
Mouse.
load out armor. Let's go. Buy an armor box. Buy an armor box.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Mickey Mouse just got glocked down in the street.
Unless you want to stretch the parking lot, you know, I feel like that's quiet enough for you guys.
Quite enough for. Okay, if you
Hold
keep
on.
saying
Oh
you
my,
fucking
I'm gonna
guys,
lose it.
I swear to God.
It's not my fault I'm the last alive all the time.
What is
Yeah, cause you just sit back.
What? I did.
Grizzy, let's go back.
We can compare to Grizzy.
Grizzy, who was sitting on the UAV drone last game?
I literally told you where the fuck they were. Your dumbass pushed 3 people alone.
Maybe if my teammate wasn't on a UAV drone.
We got bogeys. We got bogeys inbound. Bogeys inbound. I repeat, bogeys inbound. How many bogeys? I don't know, but we got bogeys.
What fucking?
Oh, that's crazy.
Look at that, Grizzy's always on.
What? No, someone say coach. Someone say coach.
No!
That's it. Grizzy, you're losing your rights.
That's,
Not because the color.
I know, it's like you're gonna have to clear that up. You're gonna have to clear that up.
That's not where I was going with that.
Be specific with that one. Come on, man.
I was feeling it.
I was feeling it. We just landed.
Literally 2 pixels of his foot were on the ground. Yeah, I was feeling it, bro. That's gonna pop off there.
I was literally so angry I couldn't even fucking think where I was landing.
Where'd you land?
Clearly on another guy.
I think.
Did you land roof?
Why he stopped you?
We're running trios.
I knew it.
What,
I knew
what
it.
do you, wait, what do you mean running trios? Whoa, no.
Dang.
No, back the fuck out.
Oh, there's a
In the heli. Move the fucking car, dickhead.
Yo, dude, I thought we were leaving.
Lit.
Wow.
He got out. I have no fucking ammo,
Who
Uncle.
moved the car in front of me, man?
Bro, I did. I thought we were dipping.
You a bitch. You fucking. Oh, you fucked up my kill.
Oh my, there it is.
Wow.
Oh my.
Dang.
Oh my
Well,
Where did that come from, bro? Where did that come
that man,
from, bro?
oh, he was on top of the, oh, okay. I was about to say, that man straight up, he pulled some zombie stuff, rose from the ground, and then just straight just blew them up with a rocket launcher. All right.
Yes, it is.
It's like, he gonna win this? Nah, he gonna
I'm going to
lose.
the bar.
Order Chick-fil-A.
You want to meet some?
What do you want?
Okay, he got it.
Can I get...
Won, but killed himself.
Wait, what happens there?
What?
Matt,
You-
he's out. He's out.
I stuck
Wow.
him, and he chased me!
Wow.
You fucking suck, according to Soup.
Oh, shit my ass! Shit gravy! Fuck!
I just got the Soup getting eliminated.
Famous last words.
Shit, gravy.
Gandhi's last words.
Great for the testicular cancer growing inside of my nuts.
That's all right. Sorry to hear that.
I don't know what to do with that information.
And back to Disney Radio.
I'm just watching it.
Puffer, is there a guy in the garage right next to us?
Yeah, there is.
I peeked him, but I didn't want to say anything. I was trying to...
Fucking dickhead. You're an ass.
I pinged him. All right, Matt, I got you. Left side. Pushing left.
What fucking
Pushing left. Pushing
left or your
left. Middle, right.
Dang.
Come on.
Grizzly, how's it looking, Grizzly?
Matt, I gave you the best callouts.
I didn't know what the fuck you were saying.
I've done the forbidden.
It's okay, I don't lose
Gulag.
I'm pushing people.
Sound like a freaking. It was like a cat video.
Puffer's goddamn fucking yelling every fucking letter of the. Holy shit, I'm back.
Yo, what is it?
I'm running out of rocks.
Down another one.
still got
he
two.
rezzed.
Out of
Bitch.
rocks.
And I got the last hit.
Down 2.
No.
Wait, why
excuse
are
me.
you-
What's
why are you faster than me?
Am I hearing some feedback from my mic, or is that Blarg?
Feedback.
that you're behind me right now.
I'm only brain dead for every day that ends in Y.
I hated that.
Alright, back the fuck out.
That's like some fucking shirt you'd see like a 50-year-old white man wearing. It's like, I only drink in days that end with wow.
Hey, can someone give me a call out in the
What?
Middle.
Are you
Middle.
cold?
Left. Totally left. To your left. All the way to the left.
That's right.
Puffer's trolling you. It's right. It's right.
It's to your left. That's his
Dang.
left.
Well, you know, I really just needed.
Wait. Oh. You know, I'm watching Puffer, and I'm gonna keep it real with you. I thought he was looking at you the whole time.
Oh, I was looking at the enemy. You fucking idiot.
Wow.
Weird.
You really are brain dead.
Today, yeah.
I wouldn't say just today.
50, 45. Dude, oh, this is disgusting. This is
Me
fucking
looking at my
disgusting. I can't
damage.
believe
I got 43. I got
it.
43.
45.
45.
Sound like a kid like brand
I
new
got
to a math
42.
class.
Dude, is it the server or did the game just fucking
No,
bug
I got
out?
one. I got
My
144.
game is so
bro.
choppy. I'm on 30 FPS.
You know, I don't want to flex or anything, but my FPS is pretty good.
I'm at
All right,
40
well,
right now.
boy,
I'm at 40.
this is my time to shine, boys. Both the
No.
good guys got fucking no FPS. I'm ready.
30 seconds later.
Revive me, I got a ray gun.
Oh, that, yeah. I've had those moments, freaking playing zombies, and then, yeah, that's the worst, man. That's what I'm like. It's just Call of Duty. They'll bring that out in you and stuff. But anyways, yeah, that was a pretty good video. Shout out to Blarg. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys go subscribe to him. He's very close to hitting 300K. Probably by the time I upload this video, he'll already be at 300K. So if y'all haven't, make it happen. Yeah, go subscribe to him. Go show him some love. And also everybody else that appeared in the video. Like, subscribe to me too, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.